morning, everyone. Hope you are doing well today. My name is Mintan Yumi. I am from class 5A nurse, and I am here to present on the topic my ability and contribution at Paskibra. I am very happy to be able to share my experience and ability at Paskibra. I will focus my skill, explain accomplishments I mission to this organization, as well as hope and prepare to be a leader and the footer. Next slide. My Paskibra ability. Discipline and approaches. I have made discipline and precisions in every practice and ceremony. This is important to precision of the role. Leadership and coordination. I have the ability to lead and coordinate. I team and training and ceremonies. I can motivate members and ensure everyone works well together. Next slide. My Paskibra experience. I joined Paskibra in Madrasah Sanawiyah in 2016 and have participated in forms activities including content and training, flag ceremony, and Paskibra competition. Through his experience, I learned about discipline, teamwork, and the importance of maintaining the spirit of nation. Next slide. My experience, champion of the Paskibra competition. I once won a champions and a Paskibra level competition. School representative. I was selected as a school representative to take part in the 2022 district level flag raising Paskibra selection. Next slide. Ready to become a leader. Commitment and full commitment to developing myself and continuing to learn to become a good leader. Skill. I have strong leadership skills such as cooperation, motivation, and coordination. Experience. My experience in Paskibra has me into a disciplined, responsible, and persistent person. Thank you, and that's the story about my ability. See you next time.